Hi you guys, I'm Shy. This is a video about my journey with my car, which I had got it about 6 months ago or so. Right now, my baby, I call her Zen, she going through a little moment where she not doing right. This is a '06 Mustang coupe V6, and she definitely needs some work. See, I got the hood up right now. I'm having trouble with getting my car started. I was thinking it was the battery, which is over there, and I was trying to see about messing with the starter delay fuse, trying to find the fuse box, and switching the Jones around, but still not turning on. So I might have to go get another battery. Try to rectify this situation. But yeah, I love my car. I need to get her back in shape and fix her up with some mods. Goddamn, put a system in her already. Well, we'll talk about that on another video, maybe, about my system I got installed and everything that came with that. But yeah, if you have any comments or suggestions of what could be possibly wrong, it won't turn over at the moment. But yeah, if you got some suggestions, anything that I could possibly look into, research myself, I will definitely do so. And I appreciate the time taken to even look at this video. So y'all take it easy. Do something productive. If you don't do anything at all, just have a peace of mind. Do your thing.